So hello guys, our today's tutorial is on how to draw a point in Solidworks. So firstly go to our part. This is our Solidworks main window. Then select all the planes and click on sketch. I just wanted to draw a sketch on front plane, so select front plane and click on sketch. Then select here the one point. If you wanted to draw a reference point for any radial point, and you can also draw that point which does not affect your sketch during the featuring that commands or extrude or any command which does not matters your point. Then if you want to draw the circle on that point, you can also refer that point to get our dimensions 50 or the 30 mm radius. You can any draw these points. This is very helpful command. If you doesn't know the center or exact point to draw that line, then you can also use that points to get that point. Okay, this is very simple command. You can also, so if you wanted to draw the another point for that reference from that circle center point, then you can also draw the another point and just dimension it. So you can also see here I am selecting as the 50 mm and another point as 20 mm, so which is tapered line. You can also see we just give the tapered dimensions. Then you can also select the another point from here, and if you have any queries, which is the only extruded option or the featured option, so we can also solve this here. So we can trim that middle points. Our point remains same, so we just go to our feature and click on extrude. So you can also see these 2 points does not matters in extrude command. So here is our today's tutorial how to draw a point in SolidWorks. So thank you.